Introducing something you already saw on the title page, this thing. When you first look at it, you might say, that looks easy. But when you look at it again, you might think, what is that? This thing is called the sigma. This is the start, this is the end, and that is a formula. I know I'm being very brief, but I'll come back to that later. There's a difference between sequence and series. A sequence would be like 1, 3, 5, 7, while a series would be like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. This would be a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, etc., and then a sub n. In the series, it would lead up to a sub n as well. There are arithmetic and geometric sequences in series, but they are not the same. Let me explain. The arithmetic sequence follows this formula where a sub 1 is the first term in the sequence, and where d is the common difference, which is simply the difference between two terms. Now let's attack a problem. Find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence with common difference 5 and first term 9. Here, the info is already given to you, so we just have to plug in the numbers. Next, find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence with fifth term 19 and ninth term 27. Basically, you plug in a sub 5 and a sub 9 and substitute those with actual numbers. You then get a system, and from there, it should be easy. If there is a question about sum like this, you can use this formula. Once again, plug in numbers and you get your answer. If there's a similar one with index equaling 2, you use the same formula, but be sure to use the correct number of terms. In this case, there are 6 terms. If you're looking for a challenge, you can just add up all the numbers, but I personally would not recommend it. You can also find the answer using a calculator. Just press the math button, find the summation, and enter the variable and numbers. This is the geometric a sub n formula. R stands for the common ratio, which is the number you multiply or divide by to get the next term. So find the nth term of the geometric sequence with common ratio 2 and first term 5. Just like the first question we encountered, we plug in the given numbers. Find the 15th term of the geometric sequence with third term 5 over 4 and sixth term 5 over 32. Again, you substitute the numbers. Then you find a sub 1 and plug it in to find R. After that, you find a sub 15 by subbing a sub 1 and r into the equation. To find the sum, you use this formula, but keep in mind that r must not be equal to 1 or else the whole thing would be undefined. All you have to do is replace a sub 1 and the r's with numbers. But that's not all. What do you do if the question asks for a sum that goes to infinity? In this case, you use a sub 1 over 1 minus r. R must be a positive number less than 1. In this problem, a sub 1 is 2 and r is 0.4. You can then simplify and find the answer. If you have trouble with the organization of these formulas, here you go. It's a little bit messy, but it covers everything in this video. Anyways, thanks for watching!